China passes an export law that protects national security. China has passed a law that restricts sensitive exports to protect its national security, a provision that adds to measures it could use against the United States amid growing tensions between the two powers. This law, adopted by the Chinese parliament on Saturday and which will come into force on December 1, allows Beijing to take reciprocal measures against countries that do not comply with export controls, which poses a threat to the country. National security. The technical data relating to the products mentioned in this law will also be subject to export controls, according to the text. This measure adopted by Beijing gives it more leeway to retaliate against U.S. President Donald Trump in the war he is waging on Chinese companies in the technology sector. The White House notably attacked TikTok and WeChat applications, Chinese telecoms giant Huawei and computer chip maker Semiconductor Manufacturing International Corp., SMIC. This new law, drawn up to safeguard national security and interests, adds to the arsenal of regulations already adopted by China, which includes restrictions on exports of advanced technologies as well as a list of companies deemed unreliable. When a country or region fails to comply with export control measures and endangers the national security and interests of the People's Republic of China, the People's Republic of China may take reciprocal action, the law said. This law specifies that the Chinese authorities will establish in due course an export control list of the products concerned. Foreign nationals and foreign companies can also be held responsible for violating export control rules. Trade relations between Beijing and Washington have deteriorated since the Trump administration launched a trade war with Beijing in 2018 that resulted in additional reciprocal customs surcharges on many goods. The U.S. president has accused China of dishonest business practices, theft of intellectual property, and wanting to use technology to extend its hold over certain regions of the world. The Chinese Ministry of Commerce warned a few weeks ago that if the United States persisted in its unilateral actions, China would take the necessary measures to resolutely protect the rights and interests of Chinese companies.